Hey there guys, I'm Jesse Crowe, the traveling scientist here in Colorado. And I've been traveling around the USA for a couple of months now, and just the other day I finally had my first run-in with the police. So naturally I filmed it for you guys. So imagine it's the middle of the night and you're in a deep sleep and you're having some crazy dreams, and all of a sudden you wake up to this.
Police, open the car, please. Sir, are you aware that you're not allowed to camp here?
Oh, sorry, I didn't realize.
I'm gonna need to see your license and registration, please.
Hey there guys, Jesse Crowe, the traveling scientist here. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I've just been woken up. I'm on the side of the road camping, and I've just been woken up by the police. Apparently I'm not supposed to camp here, so it's just taken my license. And I'm just waiting to hear back. Hopefully I don't get a fine.
Okay, Jesse. Tell you what, man.
Yeah.
You're already here. You're half asleep anyway. I don't want you getting on the road and hitting a deer or something.
Sure.
So go ahead and stay here for tonight, okay? You're fine. I'm on all night. I'll try to keep an eye out for you. I'm just trying to make sure people are safe and everything, you know?
Yeah,
You
fantastic.
probably just weren't aware of local laws.
I wasn't sure if I was kind of in like a national forest area or not.
Yeah,
I
you
do
are.
apologize. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is actually private land, and
Right.
then this is state-owned land.
Right.
It's part of the easement for the state of Colorado. No big deal. I mean, we prefer to have people stay in organized campgrounds.
Yeah.
But since you're already here and it's 1 o'clock in the morning, I would just as soon you stay here because I don't want you getting on the road and not focusing and then getting hurt, okay?
Sure, and I totally appreciate that.
Hey, no worries. You enjoy your time here in the States.
Yep.
And take care of yourself, okay?
Look, I really appreciate it. Thank you so
All
much
right.
for that.
Thank you, Jesse.
Great. You have a great night.
Good night.
Cheers. Well, that was lucky. That was a really nice policeman. He looked at my license and he's let me go with a warning. He's told me I should really be staying in campgrounds. I'm out in the middle of nowhere in Colorado. Like, there's no towns anywhere nearby. There's no campgrounds anywhere nearby that I know of. So it's good. And I appreciate that police officer that didn't find me, because this is just a one-off. I don't do this every single night. I don't camp on the side of the road all the time. Who would do that? I would not do that. I always pay for campgrounds. I never camp on the side of the road. I was just caught short, trapped here in the middle of nowhere. So I've been hanging out to run into the police, and you know, every time a policeman is nearby, I'm ready with the camera to have a chat. I did not expect a policeman to be knocking on my door at 1:30, whatever time it is, stupid o'clock in the morning. I did not expect this to be my first run-in with the police in USA, and frankly, a little bit surprised, a little bit caught off guard, but nailed it. Didn't get fined. Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to sleep because I'm kind of tired. Alright guys, you have a great time. Cheers. I'm going to bed. See you later. So that was my first run-in with the police in USA, and frankly, it went better than I could have hoped for. You know, when I look back on it, it could have been a crazy guy with a gun. It could have been someone who was going to rob me. I'm really lucky that I got woken up by a policeman that was just looking out for my safety. So that's pretty cool. Really appreciate the police officer. And so that was my experience with the Colorado police. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad I didn't get a fine. I don't have to move because it's late and I'm sleepy. Oh, so this is probably the worst video I've made because it's so tired. It just doesn't even make sense. This is going to be the worst video that I've made because I'm so tired. I've just woken up in the middle of the night. I can't even string sentences together.